Teaching somebody to wake surf can be fun and challenging. This is Colleen. She's never wake surfed before. As with everyone I teach, I have to introduce her to the 4 steps of getting up on a wake surf board. First, push your heels down. Second, slide your butt to your heels. Third, point your toes. And fourth, stand up. I practice with her on the back of the boat. Within the first maybe 15 seconds, I can tell if someone's gonna have success on their first try. She's following the 4-step process perfectly. I'm pretty sure she's gonna get up on her first try. But we need to practice in the water first.
Okay, so put your hands up, slide your heels down. Boom, get to that spot. You get to there, you'll get up.
She's doing great, and now let's see if she can do it.
Okay, push your heels down, raise your hands up.
The practice paid off. She popped up on her first try. She already looks super comfy on the board. Let's see if we can get her feet in the right spot and get her to surf without the rope. I had to get her to reposition her back foot also. There we go. Now let's see if we can get her to surf without the rope. She's been riding with slack in the rope for a while. I think she can do it. Dang, almost. Let's see why she wasn't able to keep up with the wave. I originally thought she had put too much weight on her heels, but upon further review, I was wrong. She had too much weight on her back foot, and you can tell that by the way the tip of the board starts pointing up in the air. She also has her chest open to the back of the boat, which allows the board to point out in this direction. The combination of these 2 things caused her to fall out of the wave. Looks like I need to do some more coaching. Or falling. Whew, that's the first time I've ever done that. Have you ever fallen off the boat like that? Let me know down below. If you're getting value from this video, please subscribe. It's free and it helps me help you by allowing me to make more content just for you.
So the key to surfing is all about weight over your toes and on your front foot. So part of the reason why I'm getting you to creep your feet to the toe edge of the board is so that you have weight over your toes. Then the reason why I make you take your backhand and reach towards the shore is so that it makes you lean over your toes. And when you lean, you don't want to lean like this, because then your butt just goes back and your weight never changes. So what it is almost like you're trying to curl your toes on the board, so you lean over like this. See how my whole body moved and I lean over, and I'm now have my chest over my toes? You don't ever want to pick up on your toes like that. You still want to be flat-footed, but you want to be over your toes, okay? And then the other key is towards the boat, so on your front foot. Once you let go of the rope, this is kind of the position you'll be in. Reaching towards the boat and towards the shore. So you'll be like this. Eventually you get to where you don't have to have your hands up because you can just put your body in the right position. But those are the things I want you to do.
Try number 2. If you didn't hear, he said, "Woohoo, Halloween!" I'll play it again. Now getting her feet lined up correctly on the board. She's already getting the hang of it and looks super comfy on the board. And she did it, wake surfing without the rope on her second attempt. I didn't really do much to help her, she was just able to figure it out. But why did she fall right here? You might just say that she dunked her nose, and that was her problem. Well, let's look closer. If we back it up to about here, you can see she shifted all of her weight to her heels. Then the backside edge of the board started getting sucked under the water. which then suck down the nose of the board. This is a super hard concept for new riders to understand. The nose went under because she had too much weight on her heels, which is this backside edge. It's called purling. At least that's what I've always called it. It's where the backside edge gets sucked under the water. So keep an eye out and know how to help someone overcome it.
We got butter water conditions here. This is great.
Yeah, the water's nice.
She picked this up quickly and is having so much fun that we started teaching her how to carve. Then we switched her out on a nicer and more nimble Wakesurf board. One thing I would have her change is her front foot is angled too much towards the boat. It needs to be more perpendicular. This was an extremely successful trip. She loved it. We need to get her out again. Here's a video of when I taught Lindsay how to Wakesurf. Tap or click the screen here. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Did she do good?